This is verse 11 of the 20th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. We're in the midst of Jesus telling the story of the workers in the vineyard. We've just learned that the landowner, summoned first of all those who had gone out last and paid them a denarius, which was what he had promised to those who would work all day. And then we have the rest of the story in which he gives the same amount to those people that had worked long and hard through the heat of the day, one denarius, which of course is what they agreed to. But as one might be expecting, based on just human nature, we have verse 11, labontes. From lambano, I receive. This is the nominative plural masculine of the aorist participle, so having received implied the wage of the denarius, but having received agon gudzon. Remember a double gamma as in angelos. The first letter is an N sound, so it's an NG. Agon gudzon. This is from gangudzo. Means to murmur, to complain. It's a word that's associated with malcontent attitude, of course. It's in the imperfect, so they were complaining. It's a third person plural. Imperfect active indicative. So having received, they were complaining. Kata, with the genitive, means against. Kata tu, oiko despotu. The house despot, literally, the householder, the landlord, so on. So they're complaining. They thought that if the same wage was being paid to these who had been out there for just an hour, that they would get some kind of bonus, I suppose, or some extra amount. And of course, that's going to drive home the precise point that Jesus is making in this parable.